Hey there! Welcome back to Tech Beginnings. Today we're diving into the world of Windows 10 to uncover your computer's identity, its name, specs, and other details. Whether you need it for a tech support call, setting up a network, or just to satisfy your curiosity, I'll show you exactly where to look. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's open the Settings app. You can do this by clicking on the Start button, the Windows logo in the bottom left corner of your screen, and then selecting the little gear icon. Once you're in the Settings app, click on System. This is where all the juicy details about your device are hiding. It's like a backstage pass to your PC. In the System settings, on the left-hand side, scroll down and click on About. This is your one-stop shop for all the important information about your PC. Right at the top, you'll see your computer's name under Device Name. This is the name your computer uses on networks, so if it's something generic, like desktop-xyz123, which mine kinda is, you can change it to something more fun like Bat Computer or The Beast. But here's a side note, just keep it professional if you're in an office environment. No one wants to see Pizza Lover 3000 on the company network. In the same area, if right not underneath, you will find your device specifications. Here are some of the things you'll see. You'll see what type of processor you have, the installed RAM, which is how much memory your PC has to multitask, and system type, whether your Windows is running 32-bit or 64-bit. Below the device specs, you'll find your Windows specs. This includes your edition of Windows, whether you're rocking a Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Pro, or something else, and the version and build number. This is handy to know when troubleshooting or checking for updates. It's your PC's way of saying, here's my operating system in a nutshell. If you're not a fan of your current device name, you can change it right here. Just click on the Rename This PC button and enter a new name. After a quick restart, your PC will wear its new name with pride. Think of it as giving your PC a fresh start. And that's it. You've officially uncovered your computer's name and details in Windows 10. Whether you needed it for troubleshooting, networking, or just to give your PC a cooler identity, now you know where to look. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Have questions or suggestions for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.